好, welcome to Smart Mandarin IGTV mini lesson. In today's lesson, I'm actually going to answer one of the questions from my program student. He asked me, how do you tell people that I have paid already? Okay, if you pay for something in the restaurant or, on the bus, and maybe the restaurant is busy or the bus driver is busy, whatever, and they forgot that you pay, you want to say, hey, I pay already. How do you say that in Mandarin? You could say 我付过钱了我付过钱了 So the word 付钱 is to pay money. Pay money. 付钱 It's a verb object to pay money. 付钱 It's a vocabulary in my level 2 course. Okay, so 付钱 meaning to pay money. 我付过 like I have done this. 我付过钱了 So you actually have to separate the verb object. Okay, 付 is the verb, and then 过 like you have done this. 我付过钱了 了 is action completion. So 我付过钱了 meaning I have paid money already. 我付过钱了 If you want to analyze this structure, you can think of it like subject, verb, 过, and object, 了 So 我付过钱了 If you want to be lazier, you can actually omit the object because the scenario is given, people know what you're talking about. You have the scenario. So you could actually say 我付过了 I pay already. 我付过了我付过了 I pay already. Okay, so from this structure and this question from my program student in the scenario, we know that if you want to tell somebody, hey, I've done this already. I've just done this. I just finished this action. In Mandarin, you can say 我 verb 过了我 verb 过了 Okay, how can you leverage this structure? For example, if you want to tell somebody, I have seen it already, like movie or book, you could say 我看过了 I've seen it, or I have read it. 我看过了我看过了 So if you're talking about a book, of course you're talking about I read it already. So I don't use the object, just the verb. 我看过了我看过了 I have read it. Or if you're talking about a movie, that would be I have seen it, right? So 我看过了 Also, you could say 我看过了 Okay, 我看过了 Or if you want to say, I thought about this already. I thought about this problem already. And you can change the verb to 我想过了我想过了 I thought about this already. 想 meaning to think. 想 remember that's a third tone. 想 Okay, so 我想过了 I thought about it already. So you see what I'm doing? Usually, I would teach a structure to my student and the vocabulary and give it the structure. But what I want to do is to teach the student not only to understand the structure and not only to answer their question, I will also give them the structure where you can use in many different scenarios, such as 我看过了 I have seen it. 我想过了 I thought about it. Or you could say 我说过了 I said it already. Okay, 我说过了 So you can switch to different verbs, not just 我付过了 But to answer my student's question, that answer is 我付过了 Okay, now let's do a little recap. So, I have paid already, 我付过了 I have seen it already, already 我看过了 I have said it already, 我说过了 I thought about it already, 我想过了 There's another example I thought about that is I've been there already. Well, if you ask a person, have you ever been to Japan? And maybe the person say, yeah, I've been there already. So in Mandarin we say 我去过了去 meaning to go to 我去过了 I hope you like this method. I call that as a paraphrasing method that I teach my student. give a sentence, give a structure, and then to give you many different examples where you can paraphrase it. This is how I always encourage my program student to do it, because the more you paraphrase the sentence, the more you create your own sentences, the more you practice, the more you can speak Mandarin Chinese. That's how I encourage my program student. So if you want to work with me, you want to become my program student, course student, the link is down below. And actually, you can have a 10% off right now from now on to the 10th of February. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.